Tri Plant Girl here. I just wanted to show you what I'm doing with some of my tomatoes that are ripening up, and I just want to get them taken care of before they go rotten. So let's have a look. So I have a lot of tomatoes that are ripening up quicker than I can deal with them, and I already have lots and lots of tomato sauce, spaghetti sauce, salsa made up right now, and I just don't have time to be doing it anymore. So what I'm doing is I'm just skinning the tomatoes, and I'll put them in the freezer, and then I can easily pull them out and add them to sauces, soups, stews, whatever I want a little tomato flavor in later on in the winter. So it's a really easy thing to do. You just need to clean up some tomatoes, and then I've just taken and cut the end off, and if there's any blemishes or anything, you want to probably cut those off too. It'll make it easier afterwards. So you just take your tomatoes and carefully drop them into some boiling water. Now they'll only need a minute or so, and then you'll usually start to see the skins kind of pull away a little bit from the flesh. So there, I don't know if you can see that, but you can see how the skin's starting to roll back from the flesh. So you just take it, drop it in some ice water, once your tomatoes have cooled down, stopped cooking, and just pop them out. And you can see the skin is just going to peel right off. So then I'm just going to set them on a tray, get rid of that peel. You could save the peel and cook it into something if you want, but I'm just going to put them in the compost. So they just slide right off when you do this. Peel will just slide right off. So then I can just freeze these, and I'll freeze them on a sheet like this, and then once they're frozen, I'll just throw them into some Ziploc bags. This just helps them to freeze so they're not all stuck together. And then when I need a tomato or two for something, I can just pop the bag out of the freezer and grab some tomatoes and ready to go. So if you haven't tried this before, I recommend giving it a try. It's a great way to save those tomatoes and have them for use all winter long. Thanks for watching. Bye.